In this lecture, we'll talk about complement and supplement. Let's review what's the meaning for complement. If two angles alpha and beta add together is 90 degrees, like here, two acute angles. In this right triangle, this is 90 degrees. Then alpha is called the complement of beta. So this angle is called the complement of beta. Vice versa, beta is also called the complement of alpha. That's for the complement. For the supplement is if alpha plus beta is 180 degrees. It's like here, a straight line. Okay, alpha is the angle of this one, and beta is the angle of this one. So those two angles, alpha and beta, add together is 180 degrees. Then alpha, this angle, is called the supplement of beta, this one. Vice versa, beta is also called the supplement of alpha. Okay, now here is the example. Find the complement of 17 degrees, 17 minutes. So how to do that? Basically you do is you use 90 degrees, subtract 17 degrees, 17 minutes. We know right here 1 degree is 60 minutes. So we basically do is we divide 90 degrees into two different measures. One is 89 degrees, another is 60 minutes, because 60 minutes is 1 degree and add together is 90 degrees. And then when you do the subtraction, 60 minus 17, you have 43 minutes, and 89 minus 17 degrees, then you have 72 degrees. So this one, the angle with 72 degrees, 43 minutes, will be the complement of the angle with 17 degrees, 17 minutes. Now, for the supplement of the angle with measure 17 degrees, 17 minutes, we do is we use 180 degrees minus 17 degrees, 17 minutes. Again, we can divide 180 degrees into 179 degrees, and another measure is 60 minutes, because 60 minutes is 1 degree, add together is 180. And then subtract 17 degrees, 17 minutes. 60 minus 17, we know that's 43 minutes. And 179 degrees minus 17 degrees is 162 degrees. Okay, so this is the example. Now, let's look at another one. Another one is the one right here. Okay, we want to do is one right here. Now, here is that the sum of two angles with measure 3x minus 25 and 10x minus 16 is 180 degrees. That means this angle is basically the supplement of this one, or this one is the supplement of this one. We want to find the measures of these two angles. We know together is 180 degrees, so we like to do is 3x minus 25 this angle, plus 10x minus 16, this is 180 degrees. Okay, now look, here is addition. Addition. So you do is you add 3x and 10x together is 13x. Okay, and down here, negative 25, negative 16, you can do by using a calculator, or you may not need it because those two additions are not really hard. Okay, this is basically negative 41. Okay, and then equals 180. So left hand side is those two tens, right hand side is this one. And then you do both sides add 41. You may cancel those two. So then you have a 13x on the left. And then right hand side is 221. Alright. And then you do both sides divided by 13. You will cancel 13 upstairs and 13 downstairs. Okay. So x left on the left hand side. Right hand side 221 divided by 13, you have a 17. So x is 17. We're not done yet. Why? We need what? 3x minus 25. And then there's what? 3 times 17 minus 25. So 3 times 17 minus 25. You will then have 26 degrees. Okay. Another is 10x minus 16. You will then have a 10 times 17 minus 16. 10 times 17 is 170. Okay, minus 16. And then the answer is 154 degrees. You may also use your calculator. So then here is the first angle. And here is the second one. Alright, so find the measures. One is 26 degrees, another is 154 degrees. Alright, now let's look at one more example. This example is that we are given one angle is 43 degrees 52 minutes. Another is 19 degrees 17 minutes. We want to add those two together. Okay. How to add? You know, we do like this. 43 degrees 52 minutes, 90 degrees 17 minutes you want to add. Okay. Now 2, 7 is 9, and then here 1, 5 is 6. This is a minute. And then 3, 9 together is 12. And then 4, 1, and add another one is 62 degrees. And please be careful. This one is what? It's 1 degrees 9 minutes. Okay. So basically you want to give the degree to 62, then final answer is 63 degrees 9 minutes. Okay, so here let's look at the calculator. Actually you are done here, huh? You're done here. Someone, may try to use the calculator, so that would be 43 angle, and then 1 is the degree, and then what? That's 43, huh? And then we have 52, so you have 52 angle, and then minute, plus 19 degrees, 17 minutes, that's 2. Okay, you want to add. You see, it looks like what? It looks like here is 63.15 degrees. Are those two the same? Actually, it's the same, huh? Because you know what? Here is 63 degrees plus 0.15 degrees. Okay? Remember, 1 degree is what? Is 60 minutes. And the 2 degree is what? Is 120 minutes. Okay? And then, if it's half minutes, you times 0.5. You times 0.5. And then here is 60 minutes. So half minutes is what? Half degree is 30 minutes. Okay? But here is 0.15. 0.15, then you do what? Is actually this number times 60. You see they all times 60. 2 times 60, 0.5 times 60, and 0.15 times 60 also. Look, 0.15 times 60 is what? Is 9. Okay, so basically is 60 degrees 9 minutes. Remember, this whole thing is what? Is this number 9. 0.15 times 60 is 9 minutes. 0.15 degrees. Okay, so that's, you want to be careful when you use the calculator. Alright, I'll see you next time.